Okay everyone, today is the 4th of July, and we will be celebrating it, and we will be shooting fireworks too. So, in 10 minutes, we will shoot fireworks. And Karen, you will behave too, cause Steven left you here with us cause he's at the party with his friends, so, behave, or you will be grounded by him.
Whatever. You know something, I have a really good idea. I will use the box of fireworks, and shoot Caillou's face, and he will be like Two-Face. Wait till he cries like a little baby bitch. Ha 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 ha, good thing the fireworks is right in front of me. Okay, let's open it and then, shoot at Caillou's face. Okay, I got the firework, here we go. Hey Caillou, guess what?
What?
These nuts. Ha 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 ha, bullseye. Oh, this isn't gonna be good.
Oh my fucking god, what happened to you Caillou?
It looks like Karen shot firework at Caillou's face.
Oh my fucking god, Karen, how dare you shoot fireworks at my son's face? That's it, I am calling the cops on you.
No 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 no, please, Boris, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
It's too late, the cops are on their way now.
You are under arrest for shooting fireworks at Caillou, and I will put handcuffs on you. Now, drop the fireworks. Now, come with me to the police car. This is your cell. You will stay here for 25 years, and also, you got a visitors.
Karen, how dare you shoot fireworks at Caillou's face? You know you can actually kill him. That's it. You are grounded until you get out. Enjoy your stay, bitch.
Wow.
Happy 4th of July everyone. Be safe and have fun shooting some fireworks.